Guys, today we will be talking about perfect memory. In order to achieve this, well, it sounds simple, but for me it's not. But I encourage you to try this and you will see the real good benefits of it. So remove from your diet some specific food I will tell you right now, and this is onion, garlic, especially the raw one, chili, so spices. Maybe you will say, oh Damien, this is healthy. Yeah, you were told that this is healthy. Try it, okay, and test it for yourself, and then you will get a new belief system, okay? And all the bitter food, how I know it? Oh, I tasted too much. I was flipping forward and backward and forward again, and I was balancing with the food for many years now. That's why I know. And also you will be definitely way more conscious, so aware, and in order to have to make a better decision in your life. So of course the alcohol you need to remove for good, not even occasionally, never, okay, just never. We do this with Tina for more than 10 years without alcohol.
15.
15. So yeah, this is if you want to be more aware and have more peace inside of yourself. So I know this will serve you, but you need to do the changes, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Please share and subscribe to This Is My Love. Ciao ciao.